Workspace layout. So, we have launched Premiere. Let's see what we have here. The workflow looks like this. First of all, we gather everything we need to work in the project panel. Bottom left. Here we put together all assets which we will use for the editing. We can view them in the source, top left, trim them into a timeline, bottom right, and see the result in Program Monitor, top right. Using the tilde key, there is a tilde key located on a computer keyboard below the Escape key. On the Mac keyboard, it's between the left Shift key and the Z key. It does the following things. If you hover your mouse over a certain monitor, it will expand to the full screen. How can you configure the monitors? First, we can change their borders, layouts, and sizes. One of the features of Premiere is that the workspace is completely customizable, which is not the case with most other editing systems. Second, in addition to drag and drop the borders, you can also move the center hub anywhere in the program. Third, also, we can swap the panels themselves, because there is not one but several panels in each workspace. We can switch them and arrange them in any way we want. Also, we can connect several screens and arrange these windows on them. In order to move a window, we have to grab the top area of the panel and move it to the right place. If you move it to the center area of another window, it will appear as a new tab. If you move the panel to the side trapezoid area, it will take exactly half of this rectangle and occupy this space. Alternatively, you can pull this panel to the edge. It will take up exactly half of the screen. It will be possible to adjust and shift it as we want. If we don't like the result of changing the workspace layout, we can always return to the source material by selecting the layout in which we work and pressing Reset to save the layout. What layouts are there and what are they for? At the top we have a panel with the available layouts. They are arranged not alphabetically, but by the logical organization of work. First, Learning, the Learning panel. When you open it, you can see tutorial videos on the basic functions and basic operations in Adobe Premiere, which is very useful. It appeared in the latest update of the program. Second, Assembly, initial assembling and viewing media materials. Here you have a large window for viewing and selecting material. The program and source windows are combined in one place. It should be noted that there is such a thing as an active window. So, when you look at some material on the timeline, program is activated. And when you click on a clip in project, source is activated. This way of working exists in many video editing software applications. Third, Editing is the panel in which the main editing takes place. Fourth, Color correction. On the side, we have an additional panel, Lumetri Color. Fifth, Effects, Special Effects. Lumetri Color is replaced by the Effects panel, Essential Graphics, Sound, etc. Sixth, Audio, Sound Cleaning. The Essential Sound panel is activated. Seventh, Graphics. The Essential Graphics panel appears. Eighth, Libraries. Now we return to the editing layout. We will see how the material can be imported in the next lesson.